What's up guys? As an entrepreneur, you're always going to have to be explaining the difference between your product versus others. But the best way to understand or to showcase to the audience how are you any different between what you have built versus what's already out there is to put them one next to the other. In this video, we're going to talk about ChoreRelief versus the Thumbtack, the Goliath versus David. Where we're going to go ahead, I'm going to walk you through posting a simple job at Thumbtack versus posting another job at ChoreRelief, and we're going to compare them apple to apple in terms of ease of use, speed, and affordability. So let's go inside. On my left of the screen, I have the Thumbtack app. It comes with a lot of different services, but we're only going to focus on the home improvement section area. On the right, I have the ChoreRelief app. So let's go ahead and try to post a job for a lawn care. Tap on this. Only one time only. So this practically is already picking up my zip code, as you guys can see here. And how big is this thing? 1,000 square feet. So it's giving me a list of contractors, I guess, in my area. But what do I do here? Do I contact each person separately? Oh, I have to check when they're available. So they're not available today, Thursday. Oh, all pro to suggest other dates. So I gotta let the provider suggest when he's available. Nope, no thanks. Price, starting cost at $95. But what does it mean starting at $95? If I need my lawn mown, how much is it going to cost me for 1,000 square feet? Not really sure. I'll just do leaf cleanup. Leaf cleanup average cost in your area, it's $77. But again, these are all. So my first thought is this is same thing if I go to Google search and I search for lawn services care near my zip code, it's going to give me all of these contractors. So Thumbtack, what are you guys doing here? How are you helping me? I can find the same list somewhere else. But some of you that don't know the way that Thumbtack works actually, so as soon as if I decided to request a quote, okay, tell us about your project, one time only, residential, lot square feet less than 1,000 square feet, clean up, okay, under 6 inches, okay, let's go under 6 inches. I don't need it. I don't need to be there. But why should I be there? I don't have photos. And here it's giving me 3 choices for what day, so I'm just going to choose tomorrow. When do I want it? Between 9 a.m. and 12 p.m. So it's not really specific. Saving you sending to a pro. So right now what's happening is they send in my request to 1 pro, but if I want to send it to 3 more, I can do the same thing. But keep in mind, guys, I have zero idea what this is going to cost, right? It's entirely up to the contractors. Each one of them is going to have to come and send me a quote. How long is it going to take to get a quote? I'm waiting for these professionals to respond. So while we're waiting for them to respond, let's go ahead and do a quick lawn care job and post it here. So at ChoreRelief here they have all these service categories up here, and then they also have a visual of some of the contractors that I have specifically based close to my area. So if I tap on this guy, for example, I'm able to see reviews and also pictures of some of the completed work and what everybody thinks of his set of skills. I like the idea that some of them here have already pre-populated services that comes with suggested prices. Let's go ahead and I want to post a job from scratch. So I'm going to click on landscaping, leaf removal up to 1,000 so the property is like less than 1,000 square feet. The address, I'm going to go ahead and put the address here. When do I need it? So this actually gives me a precise time, not 3-hour window. Like when do I think I need this to be done? So let's go ahead and just say 4:30 this afternoon. I want to name my own price. So the other things here is there's some suggested prices that might be relevant or not. Like for example here, fertilize lawn, 70 bucks. Weeding up to $100, 100 square feet, leaf rank. Go for open any bid, but I'd like to just post a job and say I want to pay 75 bucks. So remember, Thumbtack, it was starting at 75. Here I want to pay, let's go for 60. I'm going to pay 60 bucks, and that's my budget. Do I need credit card? No, I don't. And this is it. So right now, these are my job details. So I'm going to go ahead and then just go ahead and post this. So now the job is getting dispatched to a landscaper that service my area, and we'll see how soon and quick we're going to be getting bids. I'm still looking here at Thumbtack, and I'm still waiting for response from these contractors. The other thing about here, the ChoreRelief is it offers more than what Thumbtack does, so it also allows you to make a payment right from the app. Oh, look at that. Guys, this is incredible. I'm getting a proposal. Let's take a look. I just literally posted a job and I'm getting one proposal. He's actually accepting my offer of 60 bucks. Look at this. I'm waiting for Thumbtack. And then if we give it some more time, we might even see more. But what I was talking about, like ChoreRelief offers also ways of payments through the apps. Unlike Thumbtack, which just simply connect you with the contractors, but they don't really get involved in some sort of payments or making sure any scheduling takes place. For some of you that don't know, and I think some contractors that have used Thumbtack, way it works is as a consumer now, once I post a job, they're going to go ahead and sell my data to small businesses, call it lead fee, and then I'm going to be getting contact from these businesses to send me a bid or proposal for my project. And that's only things that they offer. ChoreRelief, however, not only it sends you a bids from a different contract. So when you hire the person, money gets put in the escrow account, not necessarily gets passed to the contractor immediately. And that's merely because we want to make sure that the work has been done to your satisfaction. Now, every single time the contractor is changing the status of the work from on moment he's leaving till the moment he started the work till the moment he finished the work, you're going to be kept in the loop for the whole entire process. And then once the work is completed, the contractors will be able to upload the photos to their app and then send me an invoice, and I get to pay right through the app. So if I see an example invoice here somewhere, this is how it looks. So I'm seeing the photo. Yes, I do have money. They have money here. It tells you deposit $25 so that you have some money that is in escrow. And all you have to do is just release and tell them it's okay, and then they will. So this entire video was shot in real time. So it's been, what, few minutes, and we're still waiting on getting contractors' response to our request in Thumbtack. This is here, the app, so you guys know what I'm talking about. We're still waiting. Let's go back and take a look at the proposals here at ChoreRelief. How many have we received so far? So remember, the job was posted for today's date at 60 bucks. We needed some landscaping done. I've already received 4 proposals while I'm making this video. And we can literally see these proposals. Each contractor has total control and freedom in deciding what the price range they want to charge. But essentially, my budget allows me to talk only to the people that are capable of doing what I need within my price range. So with the case of Thumbtack, I don't know what Raul is going to charge me or the other small businesses are going to come back with, even though they have this 75 starting price. I'm actually getting my things done in full pay. Either I can choose to hire Nick at 60 bucks, or I can go with John. I can take a look at reviews about John. 75 bucks. Jose, $68. Francisco, 175 bucks. This is all about bringing community. And I think some of these guys are probably local to my community, and it makes total sense for us to connect. So I resumed recording this video 2 hours later at 6:30 p.m. And that's when I received an email from Thumbtack letting me know that I have a proposal. So I went into the app. I'm still waiting for these other people to respond. One person responded, he's not available. And I got a message from this company, Wizard Landscaping. Let's take a look at the message. And he's giving me an initial quote of $250. He wants to include all this stuff, which I really don't need. And one guy did not even respond. And within a few minutes, as you guys have seen, I've already got 4 bids in ChoreRelief.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, a comparison apple to apple between, we went ahead and posted a simple job in ChoreRelief and a simple job at Thumbtack, and I want you guys to comment below. Let me know who won this battle. For more information, go to chorerelief.com.